Yes, YouTube. Good morning and welcome back again. Reversal for BTC on the 1 hour is a fact. You know, we have a market structure shift, so we can expect upside, right? There's one concerning thing we have, there is one thing. We have a CME gap around 107.2K, I thought. So usually what you see is that we fill these gaps, retrace to 786 to see more upside actually. So I want to show you guys in this video what I'm expect for today and the coming days. And I also want to show you guys an entry level, a stop loss, and some take profits levels, so you can take this trade yourself. You know, again, this is not financial advice, but this is the trade I take myself, right? Smash up the like button, subscribe to my channel, and with that said, guys, let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC to USDT again, and what you can see is that we're creating a market structure shift, right? If you go to the 1 hour time frame, you can see that we're making higher lows constantly. The thing is, when you go to the CME chart, you can see that we have a CME gap here, right? Around 108K and 107.3K. That's actually also the 786 on this swing low here. So what I'm expecting actually, because BTC is losing the 50 line here, after a bounce you see that we're coming back to retest it again, so we will lose it, and that is because you become bearish on the RSI. So the thing is now, I'm expecting BTC to come to 107.5K to retrace the 786, fill up this last piece of gap to eventually go up again, right? So let's make this trade together. So we're waiting for an entry on sell side liquidity, and you know, put the stop loss not too tight because there's also sell side liquidity underneath this wick, and you don't want to get stopped out before we rip up to the moon actually. So this is actually my entry level for today, tomorrow, and the rest of the week. And in case of our take profit levels, I'm still, as I showed you guys in my previous video, I'm expecting BTC to come to the 786 on the daily time frame. So that's 120.1K, right? So let's put a take profit level at 120.1K. And let's take profit on the 618. That's also sell side liquidity, as I showed you in my previous videos, right? So we have two take profit levels. We also want one more take profit level to take out our order size. So you already have a nice setup here. Wait for retracement, wait till fair value of CME gap is filled to see a retracement and to catch an entry to the upside, right? So let's take a long position here and let's see what's our risk reward ratio. And that's a very nice trade with 6 to 25. So that's a very, very nice trade. Again, guys, if you want to take this trade, go to today's video's description. Again, smash up the like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and if you go to today's video's description, you can see we have a collaboration with MEXC. And the nice thing now about MEXC is that they have an event. It's called Zero Fees Fest. Click this link, you sign up, you go to MEXC, and once you land on MEXC, you can go to events. And once you click events, you can see that there's a Zero Fees Fest for BTC. So you can trade BTC with zero fees and a lot of other tokens. So again, guys, take advantage of this super collaboration. And again, once this fest is over, or this event is ended, you will get a 10% discount on your trading fees for the rest of your life, right? So again, guys, wait for retracement. I'm expecting BTC to come to the 786 come up, take sell side liquidity, fly up, take sell side liquidity again, retrace, and go to the 786 on the daily time frame. So guys, with that said, take advantage of this nice collaboration with MEXC, sign up, get 0 fees. And with that said, guys, I thank you all for watching. Stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.